In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a grocery list. We are not actually going to go shopping for any of these grocery items, but instead we're going to do a little of a simulation using peapod.com. You can type in the URL up here, or I do have it linked in your document, and then you're going to see this home page. First, you're going to start by typing in our local zip code, which is 17019, and then you're going to click See Local Items. What that's going to do is bring up the price of the items here in our Dillsburg store, as prices of food can vary on your location. And then the next page is going to load. It's going to give you two options, and we're going to click Select Delivery. From here then, you can either search up here, which I'm going to show you in a few moments, or we're going to click over here to browse our aisles. These aisles are then going to match the aisles that you would see in the grocery store, such as meat, deli, dairy, beverages, frozen. So let's say we want to buy some milk. I'm going to pick on dairy, and then I have all my different dairy options. So milk, yogurt, butter, margarine. I'm going to click on milk. Now, as this loads, I'm going to see different brands of milk. Typically, Giant is the first one to show up, but I have other brands, so Horizon or Nature's Promise. And then I also have different types of milk, so based on its fat or whether it's organic or not. And you're going to buy items based on what it calls for in your recipes, and then also personal preference. So are you going to choose something based on the brand or previous taste? And then next, it's also the cost. So it's a good way to compare the price per ounce. Notice the total cost will be different based on the size as well. So if you're comparing something that's 64 ounces to something that's only 52 ounces. So you're going to pick out whatever you need. So let's go back up here. I'm going to pick out, let's do reduced fat. Another way you can search for items is by actually typing in milk in the search. And then as this loads, it can actually bring up those items there. So if you don't know what aisle they're in, you can go down here. And let's say I'm going to add in some almond milk. Once you've added all of the items you need for your 7 days, you're going to come up here in the upper right-hand corner and click on your shopping cart. And then I am going to use the number for your total will be up here prior to your delivery fee and fuel, and all of that has to be under 100. You're going to have a lot more items here, and then you're going to click the print button. Instead of printing, we're actually going to change your destination here to Save to Google Drive. You should see your email address right here, and then you're going to click Save. And now it's going to be in your Google Drive. So if you want to open up in a new tab, Google Drive, and then go to Recent, you're going to see your PDF right here. You'll right-click, click Get Shareable Link, and then you're going to have it copied. And then you're going to go over to your grocery project. You're going to click here, Control V. And then I'm going to open that link, and I'm going to be able to see all the items you purchased on your grocery list. And once again, making sure that subtotal there is under $100.